Sources are telling your channel that the CBI is set to adopt a wait-and-watch policy for the TMC Minister Madan Mitra, who is currently in the SSKM hospital in Kolkata. We are also getting reports that CBI may send its own medical team to examine Madan Mitra, and the SSKM board member has to decide on whether to release Madan Mitra today. So that's the latest coming in from Kolkata. Shambit is joining us on the story. Shambit, time clearly running out for the TMC Minister.
Yes, he had been summoned to appear before CBI for questioning in connection with the scam on Friday, but Madan Mitra is admitted in Kolkata's SSKM hospital since Thursday, and he had informed the CBI that he won't be able to appear before them because he's undergoing treatment at this moment. He's hospitalized. What we understand now that CBI is adopting wait-and-watch policy. For the moment, they are giving some time to Madan Mitra to come and appear before them on his own. And Madan Mitra has also understood that the time is running out for him, and he has also expressed his desire to appear before CBI when he is released from hospital. And also waiting to know today the medical board, which is looking after the West Bengal Transport Minister, will sit and take a call on his discharge. Now, all the tests have been done. The reports have already come. Now the doctors will take a decision whether he will be discharged from the hospital today, tomorrow, or whenever it's fit. So at this moment, what we are also getting to know from our sources in the CBI that if Madan Mitra delays this interrogation process any further, then they may think of sending their own medical team to do some checkups on Madan Mitra and find out if he is really fit to answer the questions of CBI investigators, or if he is adapting this delaying tactics. So the time is really running out for Madan Mitra. We'll have to wait and watch for the report of the medical board today, and then CBI will also decide their future course of action depending on that report. Back to you.
That's right, Shambit, but let's not forget that it was only the hospital representative who had said that Madan Mitra is fit for CBI questioning. And now today when the board is meeting, do we see that they would be asking that Madan Mitra would be released any time today?
Yes, on Saturday, the director of SSKM Medical College, Pradeep Mitra, had told the media persons that he is fit for talking. In fact, they said that there was no bar